Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the home of beautiful cars. Ferrari night tonight. These world-class exotics and this magnificent Ferrari California that has just arrived today. One of the most highly spec'd examples we've ever seen. Incredible Nero Daytona Duco. 20-inch wheels, Scuderia shields, yellow calipers. Here's the kicker. These are carbon fibre seats. I've never seen them before. These were a $64,000 option. Carbon steering wheel, $11,000 option. Carbon everywhere. This car's got over $150,000 of options, only 38,000 kilometres, 2012 Ferrari California Convertible. Now hold on a minute. It is also a hardtop coupe. These are hardtop convertibles. Incredible. One-of-a-kind, world-class, Australia-wide delivery, only at the home of beautiful cars, under $250,000, the most rarest Ferrari California we have seen.